teaching as an art. Throughout my journey of more than, it's a decade, it's not 30 years, at UKZN, I have come to see teaching as both art and craft. In art, it requires imagination, empathy, and connection. A craft, it demands discipline, planning, and continuous refinement. Like artists and great teachers transform raw potential into brilliance, the true mark of a teaching lies not in our tools, but in our passion and purpose. Translating mathematical ideas into language studies understand such as isiZulu, isiXhosa, Siswati has helped bridge understanding and restore confidence in our learners. Here is a picture I had a look at last night. Here we have it's not a language barrier, because even a person with good English will still be confused if they don't have a mathematical understanding. So it's more to do with mathematics. Language barrier. With English, it sounds like it's one of the same things, but mathematically these are two different things. They're not the same. My main concern is, yes, with regards to mathematics, we can start off students by teaching them these ideas. This is English. We can start off by teaching these ideas to students. But there is a mathematical formula that we use that makes these statements very easy to understand. And those are the sign O stands for, is written in this way in mathematics, and there's a sign called AND, which is written in this way in mathematics. It makes life very easy for students. We can always start students here, but we should also teach them mathematical ways. I'll not say it's the Zulu English barrier, but it's just a language barrier between mathematics and language. This is one of my other projects. As I say, as it's been mentioned, I've been working on a project where we're building a dictionary, a mathematical dictionary for Zulu. It translates mathematical words, English words to Zulu words. This project is very old. It's more than 20 years. I only started this project in 2018. That's when I got involved into the project. These are some of the words that I've been working on over the past 6 years. It's just a snapshot. We've worked on about, I think it's about more than 2,000 words, but this is just a snapshot of those words. The new words that we've been working on, this I've worked on, was effective interest. In Zulu, it's Mgungundlovu. And the one I like the most is equation. I also worked on this, and it was a huge argument when I was introducing this word. It became a very long, maybe it took about 3 conferences or 4 conferences before they could approve this word. It's called uMgungundlovu, because equations are, yeah, exactly. So it took me about 3 years to convince linguistics to understand the meaning. Yeah, and we also have equivalence fraction, uMaqhezu, onokulingana. So this is just a snapshot of the dictionary. We have a lot of sponsors sponsoring the project, and as I said, it's a very long project. It will enable us to produce research in isiZulu without writing everything in English, not just the teaching of the language. And over time, for now, these words are very difficult to understand, but over years, they should be understandable. And this is one of my assignments, assessing using the Zulu language. This was a task that was given to edu students in statistics. So here you are given a standard and normal distribution. You want to find the area under the curve. In Zulu, ukunikezwa ukwabisa okuvamile thola isedlale kondawo esingaphansi kogobe. Ugobe was translated, it's actually a curve. Yeah. So for a student who is a Zulu speaker, we give them both English and Zulu version. What they normally do is they'll first read the English version, If there's something they don't understand, they then move to the Zulu version and go back to the English version. None of them do answer in Zulu for now. They're answering their solutions in English, but at least they'll have some idea on what is going on by transferring from English to Zulu and back to English. Teaching is in mathematics is about clarity, connection, and care. Clarity presenting concepts simply and logically. Connection linking new knowledge to prior understanding. Care showing empathy and patience with every learner.